Suji ka halwa, also known as Sheera, is a popular Indian dessert made with semolina, sugar, and ghee. Here's a recipe you can try at home. Ingredients: 1 cup semolina, Suji, rava, 1/2 cup ghee, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 cups water, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, a few strands of saffron. Optional. Chopped nuts for garnish. Optional. Instructions: heat the ghee in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the semolina and stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until it turns golden brown and fragrant. In a separate saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Gradually pour the boiling water into the pan with the semolina, stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. Add the sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron, if using. Stir well, reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the water is absorbed and the halwa starts to come together. Cover the pan and let the halwa cook on low heat for another 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes soft and moist. Remove from the heat and let the halwa rest for a few minutes. Garnish with chopped nuts, if using, and serve hot. Enjoy your homemade Suji ka halwa.